welcome to Wisdom Warrior Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great day. And right now, I'm just getting everything ready for the guided meditation. So, while you are preparing yourself, make sure you're not doing this guided meditation while you are outside working, driving. Do not do that. Do this when you are at home because you're going to get relaxed. So, with that being said, prepare yourselves and let's get ready for the guided meditation. Hello, warriors. I'm so glad that you are here. And we are going to continue on this journey to release hidden blocks and restoring your vital force. Before we begin, I want you to ask yourself one question. Where is your energy stuck? Now, on Sunday, I asked you guys to have that moment to write down what you received about your energy. And if it came up where it's stuck, that's wonderful. If not, it's okay because you know that we have to work on restoring and releasing these blocks. Hidden blocks can silently drain your vital force, leaving you exhausted, overwhelmed, and disconnected from your power. Sometimes those blocks live in the body, they live in the spirit, they also live in the soul. Now, if someone had did something to tamper with your vital force, such as jealousy, hate, spells to weaken you so they can have the upper advantage of the upper hand in the situation. Well, we are going to break those down as well. Today, we're going to release those blocks and restore the natural flow of your energy. So, warriors, take a slow breath with me. Inhale through your nose for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now release that breath slowly through your mouth for an 8 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Way to go, my warriors. Let's do it again. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, allow your shoulders to relax. Allow your jaw to soften. Allow your body to settle into this moment. Close your eyes softly. Now place one hand over your heart. Place the other hand over your lower belly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Your body is your vessel. It carries memories, emotions, and experiences. Sometimes it also carries things that were never meant to stay. Today we allow those hidden blocks to release. Take another slow breath in. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm golden light appearing just above you. This light represents your vital force, your life energy, your connection to divine source. As you breathe in, imagine this golden light slowly entering through the crown on your head. That is your crown chakra. As you breathe in, imagine this golden light slowly entering through your crown of your head. Feel it gently moving into your mind. clearing confusion, clearing confusion, release overthinking, release overthinking, restore clarity, restore clarity. Now, that golden light to move down your throat, releasing words that were never spoken, releasing the truth you held back. You are safe to express your truth. Take another breath. Now feel that golden light moving into your heart space. Your heart has carried so much. Old pain, old disappointments, old emotional weight. As the light fills your heart space, imagine those hidden blocks gently dissolving. 1, 2, 3, dissolved. You don't need to fight them. You only need to allow the light to reach them. Breathe deeply. Now, allow the golden light to move into your stomach, the center of your power, the place where fear and anxiety often live. As you exhale, imagine those fears leaving your body. You are safe to release them. Now, feel the light moving through your hips, your legs, and into the earth beneath you. Your energy is grounded. Your body is supported. Your spirit is steady. Take another deep breath in. Now silently repeat these words within you. I release the hidden blocks that no longer serves me. I release the hidden blocks that no longer serve me. I release the energy that does not belong to me. I release the energy that does not belong to me. I restore the flow of my vital force. I restore the flow of my vital force. I am grounded. I am grounded. I am protected. I am protected. I am aligned. I am aligned. Feel your entire body now supported and surrounded by this golden light. Balance, steady, alive. Your vital force is flowing again. Take one final deep breath. Bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently move your fingers, move your toes. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Warriors, carry this energy with you. Your body remembers how to heal. Your spirit remembers its strength. And your vital force is sacred. Protect it, nurture it, and continue walking your path with courage and awareness. Warriors, your power is returning. And on that note, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.